How to set a battery charging limit on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and all you have to do is scroll down and tap on battery option over here. Now as you tap on battery, it will lead you to a new page where you can see different options regarding the battery. So here you can see the current mode, which is the balance mode right now. So tap on battery protection, and here you can see the temperature and number of charges today. Next, you can go for battery checkup. So here you'll be able to see which app has drained more battery. You can adjust brightness, turn on dark mode, and so on. And then on additional features, you can see here you can turn off mobile data when device is locked and schedule power on or off. But there is no option to set a battery charging limit on Android right now. So you can just go to each application over here and you can see how much it has used, but there is no option to set a battery charging limit on Android as of now. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.